Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about one of our largest product lines, which is our wire product line. Today I'm specifically going to talk to you about our Kynar PVDF, which is polyvinylidene fluoride wire. Kynar happens to be a trade name for it, so we commonly refer to it and use Kynar as its name. So we have several different models and series to talk about. So before I do that, let me just explain the wire itself a little bit. So this PVDF insulated wire, the reason for PVDF over other typical insulations is the advantage of lightweight, very good mechanical properties, and good chemical resistance. So what that means is the insulation on this wire allows for flexibility, again lightweight, and has great abrasion resistance, one of its key properties. It also has chemical resistance, which is another great property for this insulation. The conductor itself is made from OFHC silver-plated copper. OFHC meaning oxygen-free, high conductivity, silver-plated conductor. The reason for this is for some of the most demanding applications where the wire is giving you some of the best electrical characteristics there is at the price point for this wire. Going into our wire, so let me talk about our wire spools, the sizes, colors we offer, and things of that nature. So first we have two series of wire, an R series and a KSW series. What's the difference between the two? The KSW series is a wire that goes through a secondary operation. It is the same as our R series wire, but it goes through a secondary operation where the secondary operation breaks the adhesion of the insulation on the conductor. The reason for doing this is to make stripping the wire much easier. This is done for applications such as when the wire is used for wire wrapping purposes and you might happen to have a cut strip and wire wrapping bit and sleeve set. So that's what that wire is predominantly used for. The R series, if you're just using it for standard wire wrapping applications, you're stripping it manually and the like. So the wire R series and KSW series comes with a 100-foot spool. This is a 100-foot spool right here, and a 1,000-foot spool. Okay, we offer 5 colors, which is black, blue, red, white, and yellow. Okay, we do offer a 6th color, but only in 30 gauge, and that is green. And we only offer the green in a 100-foot spool. So that covers the R series and the KSW series wire spools. We also offer pre-cut and stripped wire. Again, this is 30 gauge wire only. They're pre-cut and pre-stripped. The pre-stripped length is 1 inch, which is typical for wire wrapping applications. For 30 gauge wire, and we have 5-inch length of insulation plus 1 inch stripped on each end. So this would be a 7-inch total length, but we refer to it by its insulated length. So this is 5-inch. We have 3-inch, again 1 inch stripped each side. We have 2-inch, again strip 1 inch each side, and 1 inch. These come in blue, black, red, white, and yellow. Okay. Next, we have our WD series of wire dispensers. Okay. These use a smaller spool and have 50-foot lengths in it, and again are only in 30 gauge. We sell them in blue, black, white, red, and we have a tricolor wire spool that has 50 feet of white, 50 feet of red, and 50 feet of blue. The wire spools are replaceable and are shown here, and again in the same colors. Again, these are all 30 gauge wires only. So, quick recap. We have 5 different colors, actually 6, 30 gauge. We have a green. The wire ranges from 24 gauge to 30 gauge. So you got 24, 26, 28, and 30 gauge. The cut, strip, and wrap is 30 gauge only. The wire dispenser and replacement spools are 30 gauge only. Again, this one only in 4 colors, which is blue, yellow, white, and red, and a tricolor one, which is red, white, and blue. So that's a brief description of our Kynar or PVDF wire. We appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.